Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kids OFW Kuwait. I'm preparing teacups and coffee cups for the visitors. Mga anak lang din naman ni Madam yung pupunta. Family day, Saturday. So, ayan. Handa natin yung mga kailangan nila. Ganda ng mga stikana. Stikana. That's teacups. Teacups. And then, this is for coffee. Yung Arabic coffee. So cute. Ito naman ang gamitin natin para sa ating tea. Ayan. Yan, dito ko lang nilagay kasi dyan yung lalagyan ng tea. Cute. Tapos, dito lang sila uupo mamaya. Dito yung mga babae at saka doon yung mga lalaki. Kailangan maghiwa-hiwalay. Yan. And we have also nuts. So, this is Arabic coffee. Thank you for watching. It's enough, guys. Kasi inumin pa natin yung sobra.